It is possible to access MEXC in the US with the use of a VPN, such as NordVPN. MEXC operates as a non-KYC exchange, allowing users to sign up, trade, and withdraw without revealing their identity. However, it is essential to note that the US is considered a prohibited country according to MEXC's terms of service, and the platform actively blocks US IP addresses from accessing their website. For those willing to use MEXC and other non-KYC exchanges at their own risk, a VPN can provide secure and private access. By using a VPN, users can bypass the restrictions and access MEXC in the US. NordVPN is a competitively priced option, available for as little as $4 per month, and can be used to access MEXC. With a VPN, users can ensure secure and private access to the platform, despite the restrictions in place.